Okay, so today we're going to be doing an enriched isolation from our collected soil samples. And so today we've already taken the samples that were in the 50 ml conical tubes and then added a supplement to them, the phage supplement, along with their broth to them. So that way we can get the phage suspended in the supplement. And then we're going to now filter that through a filter that will sterilize the supernatant that we have that is on top of the soil that we spun down. So to do that, we're going to take our volumetric pipette, open it up. Thankfully, I didn't get it all the way open. And before we take that out of its packaging to keep it sterile, we're going to loosen the cap on this tubing, and we are going to hook the vacuum up to the filter. Now, while we're doing all of this, it's important to try to make sure everything stays sterile. So we have two flames going to create an updraft near the space we're working so no bacteria falls into our samples, even though we are filter sterilizing the solution or the supernatant here. So we'll take that out. We will drop some supernatant. There we go. Get rid of this. And then we can turn on the vacuum. Once that is all filtered through, it should look something like this. And then once we're done with this, we can take this filter off. And while these flames are still going, we can put the cap, which is in its own sterile packaging, onto this tube, so then that way it remains sterile. I can't take it off yet. Now we're going to take out 400 microliters of our filtered supernatant to put into some micro centrifuge tubes to save for later. So get this lid back on. We're just going to use our micro pipette to do that. Just dispense it, keeping everything sterile. Dip in the waste bin. That's good. So now we're going to add 125 microliters of the bacteria, the host bacteria, Streptomyces, to each of these tubes. So I will just go ahead and show you one of these. So again, you're going to try to remain as sterile as possible. So what I'm going to start off by doing is loosening one of these caps until I can just take it off with one hand. Then I'm going to open this up, have this in one hand, open this up, grab a pipette tip with my pipetter. I'm going to draw out my 125 microliters, close that up, take this off, pipe it down in there, and then you're done.